First of all, from a person's salary of 12,000, how can the court grant 10,000 as maintenance? When a person is getting, without any evidence, when he is getting 10 to 12,000 take-home salary, how can the court grant 10,000 to the child? How will he live? It can't be. No. Where is the evidence before the court to come to such a conclusion that you are entitled for 10,000? You might be, your requirements are that. Court can understand that. But what about he is the person who has to pay?
Lordship, day by day, because he is a government employee, his salary is going to be raised.
Again, you're going back to that. I said if he is, for that you file a separate petition. You appear?
Yeah, for the.
You're ready? Yes. Yes.
Lordship, in this case, the petition is filed by the wife, my Lordship. Since she sought maintenance.
What is the maintenance granted by the trial court?
Nothing granted to wife.
Dismissed.
No, my Lordship. We are partly allowed. For son, it is granted 10,000 per month.
10,000. For wife, it is not granted.
It is not.
Please come to the order.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll see the order. Yes.
My Lordship, the relevant portion is link page number 16, my Lordship. Internal page number 9. I will write paragraph number 9, my Lordship.
What happened to the matrimonial cases? Any of them are pending?
No, my Lordship.
Divorce is granted?
Divorce is granted.
Permanent alimony is granted?
No.
You didn't sought for it?
No, they are not. Actually, what happened, my Lordship, during the.
Mutual consent divorce?
No, it is not mutual consent. She contested the matter, but there is no maintenance.
You didn't apply, you didn't appeal against
I
it?
appeared, my Lordship.
Appealed against
No,
it?
no, I am not yet filed any appeal, my Lordship. Recently, it is.
You're not, so you don't want alimony?
I need, my Lordship. I will file necessary appeal, my Lordship.
When was the order, decree of divorce? It was never contested? It's a council responding.
My lord,
Not
except
the
for as the divorce petition, I am told it is pending. But I'm not appearing in it.
My trial court advocate told me that it is order is passed. I don't know the exact date, my Lordship. This year only, I think a few months before it is happened.
This is a criminal miscellaneous of 2012.
Yes, my Lordship. My Lordship, she is studied only 10th standard. That is also she is failed.
Please come to that relevant paragraph why the court had denied maintenance to her.
My Lordship, the relevant paragraph is paragraph number 9, my Lordship. I will read, my Lordship. However, the respondent has denied his liability to pay maintenance to the petitioner on the ground that petitioner had demanded him to set up a separate house at Bangalore, and when he failed to meet her demand, she voluntarily left his house. He never neglected to maintain her. The petitioner is working in a garments factory by name SLV Creation and getting salary of rupees 10,000 to 15,000 per month. But this suggestion put PW1 in course of cross-examination was denied by the PW1. The respondent has produced the exhibit R4 to R6 photographs and the exhibit R7 CD. But the say of the petitioner on these documents is that it looks like training institute and she is not working in any garment factory. On a careful scrutiny of the photographs, it does not indicate that.
So what is your answer to that? What are those photographs? Why are they?
I took the tailoring training, my Lordship.
So
Training.
you should have said so to before the court.
Yes, my Lordship. In evidence, I told the same thing.
Then what is the finding of the court?
The court, the
It
finding
says on
is
a
that
careful scrutiny of the photographs, it does not indicate that it is a training institution.
since she-
On what capacity the petition is reflected? When you're taking training, you won't be in uniform.
my Lordship, court conclusion is this: because she know the tailoring, she is a skilled worker and she is not entitled for the maintenance.
No, then have you filed an affidavit before the court stating that at any point of time you are not working?
Yes, my Lordship. In my evidence affidavit itself, I told the same thing, my Lordship.
That you are not working.
Yes, my Lordship. Because at that time, my baby is just 11 months old, my Lordship. How come I go for work? Now also, I am not working, my Lordship.
Why are you not working? You've learned training, tailoring.
I came from village background, my Lordship. In my house, usually they don't send me for work purpose outside, my Lordship. I took the training of tailoring, even though my lordship in home itself, I am doing small piece work like blouse work, like that.
That's what.
Yes,
And you
ma'am.
must be getting some
But
income.
I'm not
What
earning,
is the income? You should be fair to the
I
court.
will earn 2 to 3,000 per month.
Did you say so before the trial?
No, at that time I'm not working because my kid is so small. Presently, I'm working because I don't have any livelihood, my lordship.
What is your husband's income?
He is earning 62,000 per month. He is a KSRTC driver, my lordship.
Did you get that?
My lordship, there is no salary slip is produced before the court.
Yes,
my
you have
lordship.
not produced your
So
salary.
we have admitted that we are working, he is working. in-
What is his
His
salary?
gross salary is about 18,000 rupees,
1/8.
1/8.
In
And-
2012, my lordship.
And
His petition is also in 2012, not now.
No, my lordship,
take
that
home
time,
salary is about 12,000.
Then in that 12,000, court already grants 10,000 to the son or the child. What will you do?
my lordship, what happened now presents a problem is this. She is,
Creation of that order of miscellaneous number.
is
Now, if any order is passed, we shall be paid, it shall be payable from the date of your petition.
yes, my lordship.
Not from
Apart
this.
apart from salary, he has three agricultural properties are there, my lordship. Out of that also he is getting
How
income.
much is getting?
Um,
So first of all, from a person's salary of 12,000, how can the court grant 10,000 as maintenance?
my lordship, what happened? His father is a ex-corporator, my lordship, in his village.
No, we have
And,
to look at it. When the court has granted all that, what you tell is not. Please come to that finding that how the court had granted that amount.
Yes, my lordship, I will explain. My lordship, it is in paragraph number, in page
So
number
the
7, my
salary
lordship.
certificate of the respondent discloses that his gross salary is 18,147. After
Next
salary
direction.
was 12,259, but it was for the month of August 2000. As on date, his salary might have seen an increase. There's an old way, but he has no financial. What is this?
Father of the respondent is residing in Bhadravati. The father of respondent is retired VISL employee and receiving some pension. Beside, he is also owning certain lands, properties in Davalapura village, Nagamangala Taluk, and deposited in exhibit number.
Fortunately, in this case, he has not filed any appeal. Had he filed an appeal, this
I
order
filed
is-
its
your case is also there.
petition. It's connected. Both are-
Lordship,
That can't be. When a person is getting without any evidence, when he is getting 10 to 12,000 take home salary, how can the court grant 10,000 to the child? How will he live?
Lordship, at that time child is just 11 months old. Now he is studying. I have to bear the expenses.
You have
Also.
every right to make your applications basing on the enhanced your requirements and other things. You can make a separate application, make a separate application.
Yeah, I will file necessary.
That is a different thing. Now, as far as this is concerned, when a person is getting 12,000, how can there be maintenance of 10,000?
My lordship, at that time, okay, I agree, my lordship.
Again, you're going to the same fact. We are only talking about at that time. This is a revision against that order. So we will only confine, you have to confine your arguments and the court has to confine the adjudication only to that. Now, if you feel that,
That is mentioned by the party respondent, my lordship. He has not produced any salary slip. It is on his submission.
no, salary is exhibit R1. There.
It is 2016.
But what to do when the order is passed? That only we will look into.
At the date, the order is passed in 2019, my lordship. He is produced the salary slip of 2016.
Order is passed in 2000. How from evidence might have gone at that point of time. You filed it in 2012. By the time the order is passed, it is in 2019. For that relevant year time, he might have produced it before the court.
My lordship, because of that only I filed the enhancement appeal.
This is not enhancement. No, you filed enhancement. There cannot be any enhancement. First of all, sustaining that order itself is difficult now. It can't be. No, Where is the evidence before the court to come to such a conclusion that you are entitled for 10,000? You might be, your requirements are that, court can understand that. But what about, he is the person who has to pay?
Your Lordship, day by day, because he is a government employee, his salary is going to be raised.
Again,
but
you're going
for
back to
me,
that. I
it is
said
going
if
to
he
be
is,
raised, my
for
lordship.
that you file a separate petition. So you need to file, we are not in a writ petition now, it is a RPFC of
My
2013.
lordship, I once confirmed from the trial court advocate whether any other petition is pending or not.
Please, even if it is not pending, you are at liberty to do it. How will it come in this, in the way of disposing of this
My
petition?
lordship, I'll confirm and kindly have it.
Then tell your client that this order of maintenance of 10,000 and the take home salary is 12,000 will be reduced and they can come up if they, as per his present salary, if you want anything, you can file an appropriate petition for enhancement of maintenance. That I will leave it. If the salary of the husband has increased by from that time, your party is at liberty to file an appropriate application seeking enhancement of the compensation based on that.
Much obliged, my lordship. I just need 2 days time.
Yes. Pose this matter at 2:30 on the same date, whichever date I've given, no, at 2:30.
10-9.
Much.
Yes. Next.